Today I'm making a delicious blueberry salmon. First, mince the onion. This is a really easy meal to make, full of protein, antioxidants. You're just going to love it. In a saucepan, add the white wine vinegar, and a cinnamon stick. Cover and simmer over low heat for about 10 minutes. Add the onions and cover again and reduce the liquid. Add the butter and the honey and heat that to melt the butter. Add in the blueberries, mix it all together, and then cover it. Simmer to reduce down to a thick sauce. And if you like this video so far, please hit the like button and please subscribe for upcoming videos. Now drizzle the dish with olive oil and add the salmon and then top it with the blueberry sauce. And I'll leave links below for all the products I've used in this video. Now bake on 400 degrees for 8 minutes. Serve on a bed of fresh greens and drizzle with the blueberry sauce. I hope you've enjoyed learning how to make this delicious, healthy dinner. Let me know in the comments. And thanks for watching.